you know, we have some other customers around the U.S., like I said, and one of those is Kyle Crawford. He's actually out in Leadville, Colorado, and he actually takes a helicopter. It's a VMAX chopper, which we'll show a little bit later here in the video, and they go through these upper loops and they pick up 4 bags at a time, and they take them up to these mountain yurts way up in the Copper Mountains of Colorado. So you might ask me, AJ, what sets your bags apart from the other bags? Well, I think being picked up and flown 6 miles by a helicopter, just hanging on to the upper loops, yeah, I think that's pretty cool. That definitely sets our bags apart from the other ones out there, because I haven't seen anybody else that's actually flown firewood bags. Right now, if you jump over to the website, it's just shaverequipment.com. We're redoing that a little bit. I want to get it so the bags are right up front and easy to access. But click on the firewood bags, that takes you over. There's a little write-up and a description about them. And then at the bottom it says order quantity. And then again, you can select from that 12 count, the 48 count, the 120 count, or the full pallet. and then everything runs through from there. It's the bags, the credit card fee, and shipping are all figured in. We go right from the warehouse to your door. Usually the small quantities show up in a FedEx box, and that's the easiest way of doing that. So jump on over to the website, shaverequipment.com, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So if we can earn your business with the sales quote, give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. The firewood bags are pretty much self-explanatory. Like I said, head over to the website, shaverequipment.com, select your quantity, enter the promo code, and then it just all goes through via credit card. And again, that's the bags, the shipping, and the credit card fee. Everything's figured into that price. And I even list in there what the bag price works out to. So I really think with the sale price going on, it sets these bags apart from the other ones that are on the market. We've been rolling through them here. We did a post on Facebook just about a week ago, and it's kind of taken the internet by storm, and it's rather surprising to see all of the different people that are coming out. So far we've been from, I think, Washington State with Sean Larson, out to Michigan, up into Maine, some stuff in Tennessee, some stuff down in Arizona. So they're all over the U.S. It's just a small shipping and handling fee on the boxes and stuff. And again, the pallet quantities of the log lift bags do ship for free to a commercial address, so we cover that one just as a thank you for buying that many of them. So again, I hope that I can earn your business, and really hope to talk to you soon. If you have any questions, feel free to call. Happy to answer them for you.